Hi, and welcome to the first edition of the Social Media Forum. My name is Paul Hager from Information Technology Professionals. I represent the science of social media. We'll be talking about how you can structure a whole online marketing campaign, where social media fits into that from a return on investment standpoint, how you execute some of those things.
My name is Liza Barry-Kessler. I'm the managing partner of Privacy Counsel, LLC, and I'm an attorney whose practice focuses on issues related to social media.
And I am Kyle Blades, the president of Rebel, and I represent the art of social media and how to really connect with the consumer and say meaningful things that engage in discussion.
So I think, it's most appropriate to lead off with, why do companies use social media? I mean, why when you use that topic is it so popular to discuss? Why have a video blog about it?
The biggest thing that I'm seeing now, and a year and a half ago when I started my company this wasn't the case, but now I'm seeing that they feel that they need to be there, and really that's becoming the case for a lot of companies, I think.
Yeah, I think it's really interesting. I did a search for a client just the other day. It was a law firm. Law firms use their names typically as the name of their company. And you search the name of this lead partner, and instead you get Bob Smith, a kid, a 12-year-old's Twitter account is now #1 on Google, and his law firm is sitting at #4. That changes his business. It changes his marketing plan. So that's encouraged him now to engage, but those people they're late to the game at this point.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's true.
We obviously are in the business of trying to tell people why this is a good media for their business, but there seems to be hesitations about it.
Well, I think a lot of those hesitations do come from the lawyers. We're used to an environment where you can control the message and you can control what people say, and you can have authorized spokespeople. And in social media, that just doesn't work as a model anymore. And so trying to figure out how do you craft a set of policies so that you can allow more open engagement with these technologies while not feeling like your employees are going to run off and say things that might embarrass you or compromise your business ethics in any way.
And I see that with companies a lot that are often scared of all of a sudden we can't control our message. But the truth of the matter is that message isn't controlled at all. You can go out there, you can Google your business, and there might be a review on Yelp or another consumer review website. And if you're not out there engaging these people already, it's happening with or without you.
Yeah, I mean, that's really the truth of the internet, right? The information is out there whether you choose to engage in it or not. What do you say to people who are really afraid of that from a policy standpoint? Do you tell them just to stay out of it entirely then?
Not at all. I tell them that the key thing is going to be educating your employees about what your expectations are. So as long as people understand, here's what we think is appropriate behavior, here are, in our industry, specific things that are regulated, and so they're just not an appropriate thing to be talking about in a social media context, those kinds of rules, you can educate your employees and really come up with good policies and practices that can make this a positive experience for everyone.